The use of copper-derived plant protection products to prevent diseases in organic, integrated and conventional viticulture can cause serious environmental problems. For more than 2 years, Coppereplace has tested and validated a series of integrated, innovative and viable solutions to reduce the use of copper and its environmental impact in vineyards in the Sudoe area. A multidisciplinary approach and transnational cooperation have been essential in tackling this common challenge. That is why 13 organizations from 3 different countries have joined forces. Addressing this problem has required the use of an innovative approach based on 3 pillars: validation, implementation, and creation. Validation. Several essential enabling technologies have been validated through field trials, resulting in the identification of 2 natural alternatives to copper: copper gluconate and orange oil. Smart farming techniques and integrated management itineraries have been used to validate the results. The analysis of the impacts of copper on vines, as well as the risks assessment of environmental contamination, have been carried out according to soil characteristics and copper accumulation. Implementation. Coppereplace has succeeded in developing guidelines for the identification of copper-vulnerable soils that can be used by producers and wine growers. Other guidelines and good application practices for crop protection products and a methodology for the use of viable application in vineyards have also been developed. Thanks to these guidelines, it will be possible to pinpoint areas where producers, industry, and/or public administration should implement monitoring policies, remediation strategies, and new techniques for the application of plant protection products. The process starts by obtaining a satellite image of the plot, which generates a figure map with 3 differentiated zones. After measuring the vegetation, the optimum application volume for each of these zones is estimated and a pesticide prescription map is obtained. This map is applied on the plot through a software and hardware equipment that is capable of reading it as it is geolocated. As a result, the volume of water used and the amount of copper is significantly reduced. Creation. The Coppereplace Stakeholder Knowledge Network is a multi-stakeholder cooperation platform for sharing knowledge on the use and impact of copper, which currently comprises 26 entities from 3 different countries. Thanks to this new system, adapted to each growing condition, Coppereplace will help wine growers to comply with the EU regulation on the reduction of copper use to 4 kilos per hectare for 7 years. The project has a budget of over 1.6 million euros and has been funded by Interreg Sudoe with more than 1 million euros, co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund.